I also want to introduce you to my producer.
Oh, hi. Such a cute man. People, recognize you for your Telugu entry, धमाल कर रखा है. क्या-क्या उठा के डक डक डक. So you love cooking?
I hate cooking. I hate cooking. No competition for people who know how to cook.
But how you see that?
No. You know the what is it?
Godu pulla ready. Any funny moments you still remember and you share with your...
I remember हम लोग जब पोखरी कर रहे थे, Puri used to be writing the lines and we were shooting it.
Okay.
And Puri is amazing,
So now we are here. I think you were waiting for this place to come.
Yes.
Pulwa charu.
Really very good.
Okay.
Excellent. And
You're
guess
having...
what? Main course अभी आया नहीं है.
हाँ, अभी तो picture बाकी है.
Picture बाकी है.
People say as your age grow, you have to be very particular, diet conscious. But you're exploring, you're enjoying. How you make yourself? That's very important.
मेरी stand-up comedy का एक line है, मैं आपको बता दूँ.
हाँ.
आशीष, जिंदगी लंबी नहीं, टेस्टी होनी चाहिए.
Yeah. So do you remember the first time when you were going for the show, and who inspired you actually to go take a step ahead to become a stand-up comedian?
For me, Neha, I am also a stand-up comedian, also an actor, also a speaker.
Yes.
I get inspired by a lot of different sorts of people. Zakir is one of them.
I'm very excited because now I've not seen this side of his ever.
Exactly, yeah.
So we are very excited to see this.
Show कैसा था?
Oh my God, I have no words,
I really
They were
enjoyed.
giving a salute to you. I have that visual.
In any of our lives, there can be tumult.
Yes.
Life में दिक्कत हो सकती है, challenges हो सकते हैं. दो लोगों की same journey नहीं है. तो आप please, with a lot of gratitude and dignity अपनी जिंदगी को जिए.
I wanted to know one thing. When you feel low, how you deal with that, People must be thinking, oh my God, he's making so much fun and energies. But I wanted to know how you deal with that.
See, one of the reasons that I became a motivational speaker was because I was dealing with really downs in life.
Okay.
तो जब भी वो periods आते हैं और वो periods आते हैं, when I feel really down and out और मुझे समझ में नहीं आता, I'm very clear that I will seek help. I don't tolerate my own bullshit.
Oh.
बहुत important है दोस्त. आप कुछ ऐसा करिए ताकि you can actually every day take a step towards your dream.
Welcome to my show Trendsetters. Well, today is going to be a fun day with a big star. He's a motivational speaker, big actor, pan-India actor, I must say. Telugu, Tamil, so many languages, Bollywood. I mean, if I have to start his intro now, I think so much time will be taken. So I don't want to take more time of you. And I just wanted to, we are just going on the way to pick him up from the airport. He's coming to Hyderabad and I'm going to kidnap him. And I'm going to spend whole day with this man. He actually comes up with a lot of energy. I mean, I'm just so excited when I'm going to catch him and make him sit and have a lot of chit-chat, a lot of talks on some motivational things, so many things. So I think this will be very interesting, but I know you must be thinking, who's that big star? Who's that trendsetter? He is a trendsetter and that word suits him. So we are on the way to pick him up, airport, and I want to keep that curiosity. So let's find out. I mean, once he's there, then my cameraman will show you who's that man. I'll introduce you very soon. Now we are just going to pick him up. He has just landed. I got a call. So let's go and pick him up. You want to know, I know the curiosity is there. So my car is just going to pick him up, and once I'll just meet him and then I'll show you who's that man. Very soon. We're just waiting for him. So let's see when he'll come. I'm just waiting. nice to see you. Finally, I got my gem. Yeah. So here's the Sir Ashish Vidyarthi. Actually, I was making way to your viewers that today I'm so excited. I'm going to spend a whole day. Long day. And who's he? I have not revealed. So they must be waiting. Who's that man?
अरे thumbnail उन्होंने देख लिया होगा. I also want to introduce you to my producer.
Oh, hi. Such a cute man. Cute man. So how was your journey? So Hyderabad is always, welcoming, I think, for you. And I'm really happy and feeling so good to receive you.
Yeah.
That's very good thing, So please come. So the fan, you can see Ashish sir is in Hyderabad and his fan following started. Now actually I have to grab him, get in, because stars are stars. You can't do anything. See the humbleness. So I can see, it's very difficult for him to come in the car because as his fan has grabbed him. So I really need to get him in. Please sir, sit. People are happy, see the welcoming. Well, as you come to know, I have revealed the star and people you were waiting for, Ashish Vidyarthi sir, and we are in the car. I'm having the very great time, great energies, because energies matters, right? For me, it matters. So whenever I meet him, I take his all positive energies. I'm taking. Anyway, so let's start. How was your trip first of all? How was your journey?
It was wonderful. आज सुबह काफी करेक्ट टाइम पर ही टेक ऑफ किया ना मुझे. Around 9:20, 10:20 टेक ऑफ करना था. तो उसके बाद बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग होता है मुंबई में ना, व्हेन यू आर वेटिंग फॉर द फ्लाइट, उसके बाद वेटिंग फॉर योर फ्लाइट टू टेक ऑफ, आप खड़े होते हैं, वेट कर रहे होते हैं, देखते हैं एक के बाद एक फ्लाइट्स लैंड कर रही होती है.
आई नो.
तो एवरी ऑल्टरनेट फ्लाइट takes off, lands, and then your turn comes. Finally, we took off at 10:40, but not bad. But I'm so very happy to come here and बहुत जोर से भूख लगी. कुछ खाएंगे कि नहीं?
क्यों नहीं खाएंगे?
Very please, ना बहुत early breakfast किया था.
How many years? Like 6-7 years after coming?
No, coming. I keep coming here. मैं काफी नहीं आता रहता हूँ. But अभी तो कुछ दिनों बाद आ रहा हूँ.
Okay.
But I'm very excited today नेहा, क्योंकि आज first time हम लोग perform करने वाले हैं.
Yeah, I have to come here. Stand-up comedy. I must say, you are a trendsetter. My program name is Trendsetter, and you're actually a trendsetter. For all, yeah, my program.
My show का नाम ही है Trendsetter.
और आप तो पूरे सूट होते हो. You are a suitable guy.
देखो प्रॉब्लम क्या होगा कि अपन लाइफ में कभी ट्रेंड बन नहीं पाए ना. अपन के कपड़े देखो कैसे होते हैं. तो हमने कहा ट्रेंड ऐसे ही करते हैं.
तो हमें ये चीज नहीं सिखानी ना. ट्रेंड कपड़ों से नहीं होती, यहाँ से होती है. And you have proved that.
बात में जज्बात
है ना.
बात में जज्बात.
मेरे डायलॉग्स लिख लो, कॉपीराइट. कपड़ों में नहीं होती ट्रेंड सेटिंग. ट्रेंड सेटिंग होती है आपके फीलिंग्स में, आपके इमोशंस में, आपके एक्शंस में, एंड स्पेशली व्हेन यू थिंक फ्रॉम योर ब्रेन. थोड़ा हार्ट कम कर देना चाहिए. आजकल हार्ट बहुत काम कर रहा है, बड़ी तेजी से जा रहा है यंगस्टर्स का, राइट?
ये देखिए, बिलाल भाई का मैसेज आ गया, रहीम होटल.
अच्छा, यू हैव ऑलरेडी लाइंड अप.
ये तो लखनऊ का है.
अच्छा, लखनऊ का है.
कब आ रहे हो?
अच्छा, लखनऊ से मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं. We were thinking
आज नहीं, आज यहाँ का कुछ एक बहुत कमाल करने वाला हूँ. तो क्या करने वाला हूँ
बताओ. सरप्राइज.
अरे नहीं, सरप्राइज नहीं, मतलब मुंह में पानी आ रहा ऑलरेडी. वी आर गोइंग डाउन टू किधर गया, हाँ, उल्लाबच्चरू.
वो कहाँ है?
अरे मैं बता दूंगा ना किधर है. We are just going to get it. अभी उनको लोकेशन उनको पता चलेगा.
अच्छा, so they will have like what, snacks, food, what, पूरा proper lunch.
कुछ तो कुछ. एक तो पहले वहाँ पर भी आने का.
बेगमपेट में कुलालो करके उन्होंने भी आपके लिए कुछ प्लान्स किए हुए हैं. You can taste there. I gave you the list also. मेरा फोन भी घबराने लगा है. So that's in Begumpet, and this location we'll find out where it is. So according to that we'll move on.
So आज there is this first restaurant that you are going to take us to.
Okay.
उसका नाम क्या है?
कुलालो. Q-U-I-L-O. कुलालो.
इंग्लिश है.
बट वहाँ सारा साउथ इंडियन मिलेगा.
सारा साउथ इंडियन दिखा देंगे. नाम इंग्लिश है. उसके बाद हम लोग जा रहे हैं बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग जगह जहाँ पर स्वप्निल.
वो आशीष सर का पूरा प्लानिंग है.
बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग रहेगा.
ओके.
लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दैट. काफी सारा खाना है. तो अभी निकलते हैं और निकलते कभी आते हैं.
चलिए, तो थोड़ा बहुत मेरा इंटरव्यू भी हो जाए. आपका तो ब्लॉग चल ही रहा है. तो मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है आपसे पहले, ये when you started, like when this trend come of social media, how you like started ke okay, I love to go blogging, because your is motivational speaker, then you are into, first is your Indian cinema love, we recognize you with your acting skills, then motivational speaker, and then now into a different zone. Like ऐसे bits में काम हो रहे हैं. As you're growing, you're becoming like ये भी खा लेता हूँ, वो भी खा लेता हूँ, वो भी खा लेता हूँ. तो इतनी curiosity क्यों हो रही है? क्या हो रहा है? What's going on?
Yeah, मुझे I've always found it interesting to do many different things. मुझे excite करता है. I really think that as you evolve, you know, कई बार लगता है कि life बहुत तेजी से गुजर रही है. But life आपको तेजी से गुजरती हुई नहीं दिखेगी अगर आपका pace भी वैसा रहे.
Exactly.
और pace मतलब भाग दौड़ ही नहीं. Pace is you actually getting to do the things that you really wish to do. And over the years in my life, I have discovered many aspects to myself. और वो चाहे as an actor across different languages हो, as a motivational speaker हो, as somebody who is active on social media, eating some interesting food हो, या my vlogs हो on social media, which I've done very well. और साथ साथ उसी के continuation में I discovered यार I have a funny bone यार.
Yeah.
You know, Telugu में people have seen me in Gudumba Shankar.
But
Hey, Gudumba Shankar.
But people, you know, आए तो एकदम डर जाते थे, and now it's a total different zone, yeah, right?
तो वो भी exploring that way, and at times you kind of come up with interesting things, and thanks to Movin, आप देख रहे हैं Movin is right here.
उनको पीछे बिठा दिया हमने.
Movin is our
Such a
producer.
cute man यार.
बार Movin ये
हमने
cute की
क्या?
बात हो जा रही है. हाँ,
क्या
खुशी.
मतलब such a positive
Cute,
cutie
cute.
man.
अच्छा अभी positive उसे नेहा ने just ऐसे ही add कर दिया positive.
फ्लर्ट करने का हमें भी राइट है यार. When somebody see men's look for a beautiful woman, it's admirable. When a man is handsome and something, you should give a compliment, right?
काफी सारे दे रहे हैं.
So
So
okay.
that's how Movin came in and kind of, you know, then we, तो मैंने कुछ सोचा था as a stand-up comedy, and then around the first show itself, Movin came. और तब से हम लोग we are traveling all over the country and possibly different parts of the
Country
world.
also, wow.
पूरे देश में travel
Internationally.
कर रहे हैं.
Oh.
और we've been doing shows, हम लोग 15-16 शो कर चुके हैं.
Wow.
और 31st March से शुरू किया है. So
I
we are
know.
not too. So I'm a young, newborn 59-year-old stand-up comedian.
Oh my God, that's a huge,
And I'm
huge,
so
huge
excited.
clapping.
I'm so excited
No.
कि हैदराबाद में परफॉर्म कर रहा हूँ यार.
Yes.
And
अब जहाँ
to a
पे
great
sir,
house.
जहाँ पे people you know recognize you for your Telugu entry, you know,
हाँ.
धमाल कर रखा है.
Correct.
क्या क्या उठा के डग 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 होता था, you know, then your entry is like, अरे ये तो अब हीरो को मारेगा, ये हीरो से मार खाएगा. But how you see that?
Hello, heroes are my.
नहीं,
अबे
नहीं.
यार ये what is this thing?
No,
यार all the
people
time यार बहुत पिटा
अब
हूँ यार.
I know. But you know, as this Indian cinema recognizes you,
Yeah.
you know, whatever you have done, you
Correct.
have actually put that potential into
Yep,
it.
yep.
Let's come back to a little bit of Telugu cinema. You remember when you got your first offer and what was going in your mind?
That was
And
the-
like, you know,
Yeah, my first, you know, funnily, मेरा जो पहला तेलुगु picture था, that was a film called. The first film that I did outside of Hindi was a film called AK-47.
oh,
And AK-47 was made in, if I'm not mistaken, 3 or 4 languages.
okay.
One was Kannada,
Hmm.
one was Telugu,
Oh,
and so Sai Kumar was the hero in that.
Okay,
version.
Sai
Yes,
Kumar,
yes.
okay.
So we did that, and so that is when it came. And then, जब मेरी पहली तेलुगु film आई, I think it was Pape Na Pranam.
ah,
It was that was Chakri's film.
yeah.
And उसके बाद मैंने श्री राम किया.
हाँ.
That was a remake of Dil. And after that, I think I've done more than 80 films.
So do you have any memories till now? Because it's been a long time, right?
Yeah.
With the big actors, you know, you have worked with all big actors. You are a big actor. How your coordination now when you meet or come to Hyderabad? Or that's some memories.
That's a
First time
memory.
मिलते हैं ना, naughty panauta, and you are something who can't sit at one place, right?
So Neha, I've had wonderful memories
हाँ.
working with wonderful directors, actors.
Any funny moments you still remember
अरे
and
बहुत
you
सारे,
share
बाप रे
with
बाप.
your
I remember हम लोग जब पोखरी कर रहे थे,
हाँ.
we used to be shooting, you know, एक
in
पुरानी-
Ramoji, I think.
No, not just this was
हाँ.
you know, कुछ buildings थे बन रही थी.
Okay.
And Puri used to be writing the lines and we were shooting it.
Okay.
And Puri is amazing, you know, he helps you improvise.
Okay.
और हम लोग वो तेलुगु में डायलॉग्स लिख रहे थे और मैं उसको इम्प्रोवाइज कर रहा था हिंदी में. Then he would say, yeah, keep that. And then he would write that and then we would do it. So I had such an amazing time working with Puri during Pogri, and I have very fond memories of working with Mahesh. हम लोग 2-3 फिल्में हम लोगों ने साथ करी है. And also Surendra Reddy, his
Yeah.
very first film I did. And so I've had a wonderful time across the different
Languages
actors,
also,
different, yes,
yeah.
11 भाषाओं में काम करता हूँ।
11, yeah.
Yes, I've done about 350 plus films. तो इसलिए मैंने कहा कि बहुत बार मार चुका हूँ, बहुत बार
मार खा चुका हूँ,
मार
अब लोगों
खा
को
चुका हूँ।
हंसा रहा हूँ।
चलो हंसाता हूँ यार।
So अब जैसे 11 languages में you have given your time to Indian cinema. So now in stand-up comedy, are you planning 11 languages में stand-up comedy करते हैं?
But I don't know, मैं भाषाओं पर उतनी ज़्यादा पकड़ नहीं है, but I plan to move around different parts of the country, doing my plays, doing this stand-up comedy. और इसीलिए that's why I'm saying that today is a big day.
Yeah.
Because today.
First show in Hyderabad,
yes,
like first time
show.
you'll be as a stand-up comedian you're doing in.
Yes, yes.
I think you have people who must be seeing in this, they are curious to know that.
Yeah.
Because a star which they've seen in a different avatar and now today they will be like in a funny mood,
Correct.
Make you relax out of the stress, right?
Correct.
So
और
yeah.
आप होंगी वहाँ पर, you will be there today.
Of course, I want to
as-
see
as
that.
as you watch the show and you will
I
be
have
also
to
catching
enjoy.
the audience.
Yes.
Super.
That's
तो
more
भाई,
important.
आप आराम से गिर मत जाना.
कहाँ गिरेगा? पकड़ लेगा. गिरने की जगह नहीं है.
बोला भाई गिरना संभल के, कहते गिरने की
आप तो
जगह
कहाँ
नहीं है.
गिरे हो फाइटिंग करते हुए? कभी actually it just came with this incident.
Yeah.
When you were having a fighting scene or something पकड़ने का से होता था कभी incidentally you got hurt. There was a time.
होता है.
I mean,
मतलब
recovery was done and you would remember, oh my God, next time I have to be very careful.
नहीं, you have to learn that in acting की acting में सब कुछ लगता नकली है, लेकिन कई बार कुछ असली भी हो जाता है.
Exactly हुए हैं
इसलिए
incidents.
संभालना पड़ता है.
So अभी काफी we have done a chit chat and he wanted to relax because he came from a tiring journey and he just let me relax and give some time because whole day I have to eat his head. And so I want to give him a like.
So no, this will be a good time because we are बहुत कमाल के दिन में आज हैदराबाद में चल रहे हैं.
अच्छा.
So देखिए बारिश, अभी हम लोग आए थे.
The weather is also good.
This is very good.
Yeah.
And आज एक बड़ा funny episode हुआ.
What?
While we are in the aircraft, we met a couple.
Oh.
So the wife is from Hyderabad and she had moved to Mumbai after marriage. तो मैंने कहा इधर कैसे? कहते हम काम एक्सप्लोर करने आ रहे हैं. मैंने कहा इधर कैसे? कहते मेरी वाइफ यहाँ की है तो बोल रही है बहुत अच्छी जगह है. एंड शी सो स्मार्ट कि वो अपने हस्बैंड को ना यहाँ पर मार्च अप्रैल में नहीं लाई. अप्रैल में नहीं लाई, अभी लाई इसको अच्छा दिखाने के लिए. मैंने कहा यार बहुत बढ़िया जगह है, प्लीज आना. At least one more person is going to love this place and decide to come.
No, the weather is good and the Hyderabad is always welcoming and we love you for whenever you come here.
Yeah.
If you've seen the love, how they remember you, like you were just came and अभी तो बात फैल जाती तो airport से I think it's difficult to come out also.
So that's one thing.
So
one thing is absolutely clear. Hyderabad is something amazing. So एक just वो करना चाहते हैं कि so one thing is very very clear. Over the years, as one has acted in Telugu films, the love and affection of people here is amazing. And in fact, एक चीज तो मैं करना भूल गया.
What do you want to do?
पुल्ला रेड्डी का मिठाई.
अरे मिलेगा ना, खिलाएंगे.
इस बार लेना ही है. मुझे
We'll take it.
पुल्ला रेड्डी खाली रहेगा.
उसकी भी ब्रांडिंग अच्छी हो गई.
कावापुरी मेरे भाई.
We'll take you.
कावापुरी जाना ही है.
अच्छा.
अभी हम लोग अगर इधर से आएंगे ना वो कावापुरी, अरे यार. Moving, you haven't had it.
So you want to go by taking? You want to have now or coming back? When you want to have this pulla ready?
अरे वो जो
कावापुरी. We are going
बेगमपेट मेन बेगमपेट में जाएंगे. अपन जाएंगे.
देखो आपको पुल्ला रेड्डी बुला रहा है.
अरे भाई साहब मुझे पुल्ला रेड्डी बुला रहा है.
अब पुल्ला रेड्डी की तो आज किस्मत खुल जाएगी एक्चुअली.
भाई साहब कमाल की बात है, हम लोग यहाँ पे बात करते हुए जा रहे हैं, सडनली नया बिरयानी वगैरह की बात हो रही है. मैंने कहा भाई पुल्ला रेड्डी में कावापुरी हम लेके जाएंगे और वहीं पे जा रहे हैं.
और see the incidents like his love and कहते हैं ना यूनिवर्स कनेक्ट कर देती है.
बात हो रही थी भाई साहब, कमाल की बात हो रही थी. आई एम सो एक्साइटेड.
And the main branch is there opposite where we are going.
When you come down to Andhra Pradesh, when you come towards this part, it is unbelievable.
I know.
You can't miss. हैदराबाद में उतरते ही पुल्ला रेड्डी पे जाना है.
पर मुझे एक चीज I really wanted to know. For so long I'm seeing you're exploring food.
Yeah.
And everything you're tasting it. How your tongue is like getting into that, maintaining that tongue.
वो टेस्ट बड्स का ही तो खाता हूँ भाई. वो टेस्ट मतलब Just imagine, can you believe it? See, what I do is मैं खाता उतना नहीं होती, खाता ज़्यादा हूँ, खाता कम।
अबो।
ये बात है।
And you're so fit also.
है ना, वो बड़ा जरूरी है।
पेट भी बाहर नहीं निकला है।
पेट तो बाहर निकला, वो शर्ट ढीली है वाला बात है।
नहीं, you have not gained weight, you are healthy.
Anyway, मतलब that's being very kind. But main चीज़ क्या है कि थोड़ा खाओ, ज़्यादा दिखाओ, लेकिन टेस्ट बर्ड्स में आज भी पुल्ला रेड्डी का नाम सुनते ही मुंह पानी आता है। इसका मतलब जिंदगी में जितना खाना है अभी और बचा है। वो टेस्ट बर्ड इज अ mention
No,
of that.
one thing is very good with you. People say as your age grow, you have to be very particular, diet conscious. But you're exploring, you're enjoying how you make yourself. That's very important. बहुत awareness हो गई है सोशल मीडिया में, you know ना, ये मत खाओ, वो मत खाओ, वो मत खाओ.
मेरी स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी का एक लाइन है, मैं आपको बता दूं.
हाँ.
आशीष, जिंदगी लंबी नहीं, टेस्टी होनी चाहिए.
क्या बात है.
बहुत जरूरी.
I connect with that. You know, it's very important.
बहुत जरूरी है यार.
लाइव हो ना.
इतना ही सही खाओ, पता चले इतना सही खा रहे हो, एक दिन अगर जिस दिन निकले भी तो सर्दी से चले गए.
It happens.
और क्या यार.
Yeah. बिरयानी खा के निकलो, पुल्ला रेड्डी के स्वीट्स खा के.
और क्या यार, अच्छा खाओ और मतलब खुशी जाओ.
ओके.
है ना, बहुत जरूरी है. रोते हुए आते हैं सब, खाते हुए जो जाएगा वो मुकद्दर का सिकंदर कहलाएगा.
क्या बात है, आज एक्टर निकल आया है.
बहुत जरूरी है.
So you remember what kind of food you used to have that time, you know, when you were shooting for Film City?
So definitely the food here is amazing. Different kinds of food that you get.
In that time, you.
खाना तो हैदराबाद का खाना is amazing. ना, you get absolute Andhra food, then you get the old city food. जो कबाब और नायाब के कबाब, अरे
मतलब आपके तो यार टेस्ट में बैठे हुए हैं.
भाई साहब टेस्ट में बैठे हुए डांस कर रहे हैं भाई साहब.
My God, the kind of you know imagination you give about the food.
जबरदस्त.
So you love cooking?
I hate cooking.
I
hate cooking. Please understand.
You love cooking.
I have no competition for people who know how to cook. भाई
जो खाता है वो बनाता भी है.
बिल्कुल नहीं बनाता. जो खाता है, अगर किसी और का बनाता हुआ खाता है और उसको खाना बनाना आता है तो कहेगा हाँ, I do it this way. I don't do it anyway. I only do it this way. बिल्कुल खाना बनाना.
So you never cook like bread omelette for you when nobody's.
I hate
tea,
cooking.
chai.
I hate cooking. बाहर निकल जा. बाहर निकल खा. स्विगी किस लिए? मेरे लिए बना भाई.
Oh my God! But home food is always welcoming, right?
Amazing. और इसलिए आई लव होम फूड. इसीलिए मुझे नाया पसंद है, पुल्ला रेड्डी पसंद है, क्योंकि वो भी किसी के घर से आया है.
ओहो, व्हाट अ लाइन, आई मस्ट से.
Just passing Taj Banjara. And I want to tell you another very interesting thing.
What?
Look at this hospital, Care Hospital.
Don't tell me you went there.
अरे no, Care Hospital में my first film Papena Pranam was shot here.
Oh, that's wow, what a memory you have, right?
Yes. अरे वो अभी हॉस्पिटल कुछ और बन गया क्या?
पूरा अच्छा renovations is happening.
Okay. So we
Things
shot.
are changing.
हमने अपना पिक्चर शूट किया था हमने Papena Pranam.
Oh.
We shot here. That time it was an old hotel which had closed down.
Okay.
उसके बाद हमने किया.
Now it's a hospital, it's a big hospital.
और वो भी पूरा नया बन गया.
Wow, it's.
क्या था? I still remember
everything.
that.
Now as you go.
Yeah.
Everything will you see new changes.
Correct. No, even that has changed. That has changed. जब हम लोगों ने when we did Papena Pranam, the Care Hospital wasn't there. It was a old hotel which was khali.
Oh.
And we shot the entire film there.
Oh, okay.
Papena Pranam.
Now the renovation चल रही है. I think it's now like आजकल hospitals look like a 5-star hotels. You will see one hospital. You just see it's a hospital or a hotel. I'll show you. My God, the interior outside is just amazing.
ऐसा पुल्ला रेड्डी मेरा favorite पुल्ला रेड्डी.
So now I'm taking Ashish sir to his favorite place, Pulla Reddy. He was just craving like anything. Go to Pulla Reddy. I'm just curious to see how the reaction will be of people.
ये मेरा favorite मिठाई की दुकान है भाई. Amazing.
Oh wow. A lot of gift sweets are here.
How are you? काबा पूरी ready?
पूरी टीम तो आपको अच्छे से जानते थे. तो ये पुराना कस्टमर है हमारा.
काबा पूरी है किधर?
पहले इनकी शक्ल दिखा दो.
Where's the काबा पूरी? Packets. There. काबा पूरी.
You're a sweet lover.
अरे love sweets. अच्छा, and then pack. Yes, thank you. Pack.
See, he started doing shopping also. sweet shopping in Hyderabad?
Half kg, 6 packets. Yeah.
Whom you're taking for?
अरे बहुत लोग हैं. Top.
क्या बात. चलो आइए कहीं अच्छी जगह बैठते हैं.
क्या रिपोर्ट है? Honestly.
आपका कैमरा और आपकी स्वीट. हमारा कैमरा बेचारा फीका रह जाएगा. अम्मो. आपका एक्सप्रेशन देख के मन कर रहा है कि मैं भी मार ही लेती हूँ.
अरे मार लो.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah, it's really yummy, yaar. I mean, because she said I tasted this sweet. Let him just go his own way.
Oh.
You're enjoying?
Love it.
Another level.
अच्छा पहले, after the food we should eat desserts. Yeah, उल्टा हो रहा है. We're having sweets first and then we are having the food.
देखो, the best thing about growing up is कि जब चाहे तब मिठाई खाओ. कोई कहने वाला नहीं, बच्चों को डांटेगा.
पूरा मीठा नीचे निकल रहा है.
सर
मजा आया?
जन्नत है तो यही है. अमीन हस्तो.
I think you guys are having good fun with your sweets. See the history of Pulla Reddy, like it's a big.
हाँ भाई, पैक करा दो.
But I wanted to know, Ashish sir, for whom you'll gift all these sweets?
These will be on for many things. Some will reach. One is definitely for him. One is for somebody. Lot of people in Kolkata because tomorrow itself I'm going to Kolkata. वहाँ पर बॉम्बे में रहेगा.
Okay.
स्वप्निल के लिए उसको बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. काफी लोगों के लिए जाएगा.
Okay. What your son likes the most in sweets?
वो he is very controlled. वो पहले बहुत बिरयानी खाता था, अभी नहीं खाता था. तो मैं भी जब बड़ा होकर ऐसे हो जाऊँगा.
So what are you taking for your sweet, cute lady of your life?
Rupali is going to love this.
Huh? She's also a sweet lover?
Oh, she loves it.
Oh, so...
खाती कब है?
Okay. So let's see what we are going to eat with Ashish today. Atik sir is taking us for some great menu also, I've decided. So let's go. Now we're going for a lunch and we have to travel, so he just wanted to have a small snap, like wanted to have a small sleep. I think he's tired, so I'm just telling you, see how he looks cute while sleeping. I don't want to disturb him. I think you've never seen him, your fans. I think you must be thinking, oh. I think it's a very great visual. So let me relax him because he has a long day to reach, So let him sleep. Let's not disturb him. Oh, I think he was hungry and it's 2:30. So let me tell him that we are near to the restaurant. Ashish sir, आ गई आपकी जगह with the looking for the restaurant with you. You were just telling me like ये जगह So now we are here. I think you were waiting for this place to come.
Yes.
Pulwa Charu. Had your rest. Now food. So what's the plan? Your fans started. They will not leave you. You have some memories? You came before here?
हाँ, यहाँ पर years back my friend was admitted.
Okay. So you came here?
हाँ.
Okay.
आइए वाह.
So why you selected this place?
उसको यहाँ पर ही came here by chance.
Okay. So from that time you had a love for the food.
नहीं उर्मिल चारू तो मैं बहुत साल पहले आया.
अच्छा.
चलिए आइए.
So let's go. Your fans will not leave you. I must say, the kind of love he has, like everywhere we are going, and sir is so humble. He's always there for the fans. But yeah, he's hungry, so I want him to, have his food on time. So let's go. Ashish, a favorite place. I think you got craving for it, right?
Ullu Charu is a favorite place of mine. Ullu Charu.
When you like, why?
I think the great food is here.
Okay.
I think over great food, some great. Wow, 18 pulav.
Have you tried all this?
अरे बहुत कुछ किया है.
So you know, food always give a refreshment when you see good food. What is about the mental status? You know, nowadays we are seeing, you know, when we are little bit low, we look for a good food. Exactly.
Yeah.
So how do you define this? You know, being into the low phase of your life.
Yeah.
And you know, then coming up. I want your first your.
As you notice, अभी हम लोग सब जिंदगी के बीच में हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें हो रही हैं. We are chatting, and while we are chatting, things are happening. Same is true in life. Life, many things keep happening.
Yeah.
And we have to be ready for that. One thing is that we are expecting everything to be perfect, the way we want it. Life is not like that. So earlier people used to think that depression is a thing which is from the West,
Yeah.
not an Indian thing. You know, not from. Let's face it, we are a very fast-moving world. And fast-moving world, there are a lot of aspirations. Things are happening. And then another terrible thing that happens is that we have certain traditional things, and a lot of modern things are happening.
Yeah.
And when they clash, that's when things is happening. So one thing is very, very clear. Each one of us, the person watching, I, you, each one of us, we should be committed to our life. It is very important to vote for yourself. See, we have to fulfill our responsibilities, but very important, it is my responsibility, each one's responsibility to be happy, to be fulfilling. Because if you are depressed, feeling down and out, and the world is against you, you can't do anything. Just look at this restaurant that you see, which is such a successful restaurant. But obviously, you know, Oliver Charu, when it even would have started,
Yeah.
it would have had issues. Even now, running a business is thing. So anything in life, we will face issues. Do not be afraid to admit that there are issues.
Exactly.
Sometimes we want to hide issues. I don't want to tell people that I have issues in my personal life, my business life, my profession, my things and that. No. Have the ability to share. There's nothing wrong to not feeling good. There's nothing wrong in something not working out. Because when you seek help, that is when somebody will also try and help you.
Yeah.
In the meantime,
meanwhile,
something is
you
come.
can
Come.
have your buttermilk.
Buttermilk is come.
See, the passion, I must say that.
This is the without masala, right? Yeah. Without masalas for the
Oh,
lady.
mother, thank you.
Wonderful. हमारा मसाले के साथ आ रहा है.
Cheers करेंगे, cheers
बहुत
करके
जरूरी
पिएंगे
है.
हम तो.
Cheers. क्या बात है.
It's so refreshing, really. मजा आ गया.
Wow. Amazing masala. Oh.
पूरी energies are back. आज धमाल होने वाला है शो में. Buttermilk का.
Pudina is also there. Zabardast. Wow.
Loved it.
खुल गया मामला ठाप से. तो Oliver Charu. उसमें पुदीना भी है डेफिनेटली.
I think you had a great time. So I think this is a great thing you said, you know, think about yourself. So I just wanted,
and remember one thing another. When you're thinking about yourself, you're not doing anything bad.
Yeah.
Because when you are, it's not thinking about yourself. You're nourishing yourself.
Yes.
So that you can do something meaningful in your life.
Yes.
So vote for yourself. Be kind to yourself, and then you'll be amazing in your work for outside. That is the important part.
So when you were in your lows, what food you crave for that time?
I crave for food, and that's why we are today here.
Okay.
Oliver Charu, we eat some good food.
Okay.
खाना खाया जाए, हाँ?
Wait, so let's come back, you know.
I'll just come and take some
let's
shots.
have the food and discover. Ashish sir is very much into, you know, discovering the food, what he's eating, how it has been made. So let's follow him. So I think we had great time with buttermilk.
आइए. That's
हर
pakoda.
जगह खाना है.
So what is this?
हाँ, gravy.
Mirchi ka salan is happening. And what all has gone into it? Ah, wonderful. So this is the mirchi ka salan.
Yeah, mirchi salan is homemade gravy sir. तो सार का homemade का gravy गुत्तुआं के करी में total यही use करता. अब मेरा signature dish है आके गुत्तुआं का पुलाव सर. तो इसके लिए मैं अलग से इसको prepare करता.
क्या बात है, अरे वाह.
मस्त है. How is this?
ये marination for the biryani. ओह.
Name पेरू?
ये क्या है भाई?
Plain biryani rice.
ये plain biryani है. हाँ? इसके अंदर वो पूरा वो अरोमा है.
हाँ, मसाला रहता है सर.
हाँ हाँ.
चिकन दम बिरयानी वेज के लेना सर. तो नॉन वेज का राइस से वेज कलेक्शन नहीं देता. तो इसको टोटल अलग करके देता है. वेज चिकन दम बिरयानी हर जगह में मिल जाता. लेकिन ये क्या है टोटल अपना होममेड का. तो आंध्र में गोंगुरा का थोड़ा
गोंगुरा. हाँ,
गोंगुरा थोड़ा ज़्यादा चलता है सर. वो हिसाब से अपना दम बिरयानी का लेने का थोड़ा कन्वर्ट करके.
ओके. ये गोंगुरा बिरयानी.
गोंगुरा बिरयानी सर.
अरे वाह.
हर जगह में जेट का मारता है सर. लेकिन हम लोग दम का सर का जब भी अपना को टोटल दम करके दे देते सर.
अरे वाह 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 वाह, ये तो जबरदस्त है. वाह वाह वाह.
Like this, we have 18 types of biryanis and 32 starters of our own recipes.
Wow, this is amazing. So all these recipes have been created. They are like home recipes.
Yes, sir. We prepare this like home only, sir.
Got
Not
it.
like commercial.
Okay. Wow. And how many years have you been running this place?
11 years.
11 years.
This place is around 3 years.
Okay, but your otherwise central thing is 11
We
years.
have started 11 years back.
वाह, क्या बात है, वाह.
So now Ashish sir enjoying his lunch, you know, with pure non-veg food. He's a पक्का non-veg person. So Ashish sir, आपका vlog हो गया. अब आप आराम से खाना खा रहे. Just let me know about that food you're having experience in Hyderabad.
I think Ulavacharu food is excellent.
This
They're
is
known for
what?
the quality.
Okay.
This is a very unique dish of theirs. Chicken wrapped with aloo. कहीं नहीं खाया मैंने. First time.
First time in Hyderabad.
Bangla chicken. First time I'm having.
In
कोलकाता
Bangla
में नहीं खाया
also.
यार. कोलकाता में भी नहीं खाया भाई ये.
So I think all these Bangla people should know that there is a dish named by this. I think,
भाई
right?
क्या कमाल है यार. ये कलकत्ता में नहीं खाया भैया. प्लीज कलकत्ते वाले आप सीखियो. हाँ. There's a पोटैटो स्लाइसेस उसको रैप कर दिया है और उसके अंदर
What a
चिकन
idea.
डाला है. अरे यार मजा आ गया.
And what else you tried? You tried this
This is a bamboo chicken. Oh.
bamboo chicken.
Oh.
Okay. Earlier you had anywhere bamboo chicken?
हाँ, वो नॉर्थ ईस्ट में खाया है, but this is really very good.
Okay.
Excellent.
And other dish which
And
you
the
love?
fish. Oh, क्या fish बनाया भाई. Oh,
So I think all these dishes you are loving it. It's
superb. And
you're
guess
having-
what? Main course अभी आया नहीं है.
हाँ, अभी तो picture बाकी है.
चल बाकी है. Yeah.
So
Now
I
we
think
just
in
bring this out.
starters
Quickly
में you're
bring
so happy, right?
Yeah.
You were enjoying. Chalo. So
Let's get the main course then.
Main course.
Mutton, sir.
it.
Mutton ghee roast.
Mutton ghee roast. And what is this?
This is Nalli Gosh biryani. This is Pachimichi Kodu.
This is the gongura thing.
No, sir. The Gongul thing is about to come.
Oh, और भी आ रहा है.
My mother recipe, Gutti Unkai Pada.
What?
My mother recipe.
Oh.
Wow. So let's start. Stop it. Food festival शुरू हो चुका है, sir. Please tell me what is this, sir?
Pachimichi Kodu Palav, sir.
This is chicken pulao.
Spinach chicken.
based chicken. ये है mutton.
Mutton ghee
Total.
roast.
Mutton ghee roast. ये है.
Nalli Gosh biryani.
This is the thing, boss. This is the exciting one. अरे भाई ये तो zone में है भाई साहब. यार कूद लगता कूद ही जाऊँ अंदर से. I tell you यार. And best है रूपाली is not here तो मैं मटन खा सकता हूँ.
That is
Hey, मोबाइल बताना नहीं. And what is this?
Gutti Unkai Palav.
What is that?
Brinjal based.
ब्रिंजॉल बेस्ड है. देखो ये वेजिटेरियन है, थोड़ा सा मेरा लिमिट कम हुआ पर I will taste that also. Okay guys, let's begin. ब्रिंजल के साथ सर्व करते हैं थोड़ा सा. हाँ, वेरी गुड बस. बस मदी नो प्रॉब्लम. शी डजंट नो इट, नो प्रॉब्लम. दे दिया हमको, खा लेते हैं भाई साहब. ये मामला बैंगन का है.
बैंगन।
मामला पीला है लेकिन बैंगनी है। आहा, आहा, This is a traditional dish.
Yes, sir. My mother recipe.
Ah, it's got a right amount of peanut also. आहा, क्या बात है। शुरुआत की है बैंगन के साथ।
And especially
Right.
having with the hand.
आगे
That's
तो खाना
more
है।
interesting.
I carry my own cutlery.
Yes, great.
I carry my own cutlery. नहीं पहले चिकन। Ah.
This chicken
भाई
is your
साहब,
favorite?
one second, ये देखिए अब चिकन आ रहा है भाई साहब, प्लीज। बस सुपर। स्पिनच बेस्ड ना?
Yes, sir.
आहा,
Try one sip of this one also, sir, in between.
प्रोफेशनल ईटर जो होता है बीच में
So it will
Soda pita.
जस्ट द टेस्ट इक्वल किया। सो दिस इज द स्पिनच, बहुत ही बढ़िया।
nice expression.
Of course.
Huh? You know, food is in love with you. I just feel like the way he's loving the food. It's pani bottle, water bottle. Small, yeah.
This is a celebration like that. I don't care what the masalas are. समझ में नहीं आएगा भाई, पर क्या बनाए हैं? At another level, my friend. Oh.
So now we are having great lunch with Ashish sir. Ashish sir, food will be so happy to see your expression. I was watching you.
yeah.
So how was your lunch with Hyderabad?
Ulvacharu food is amazing, and after it has gone to another level.
And veg is also so good, right?
Veg is also so good. This one especially, yaar. Oh, yaar, I had that with that mutton ghee roast. Here, idhar lo, yaar. Arey, yaar, move in. Amazing ho gaya, yaar.
Even I am enjoying the veg.
Oh.
Mostly
So,
what happens is
yeah.
when non-veg people don't like veg.
हाँ.
But you are praising about the veg food
नहीं नहीं,
also.
खाना अच्छा बना होना चाहिए. Right. The food is excellent, and you know it's a what I like about such a thing is that इतने सालों से ये business चला रहे हैं and they're maintaining quality.
Yeah.
And that is why we are coming again and again. How many years in this business for you?
11 years.
Oh.
11 years they've been maintaining the quality. That is why there are so many.
So today, what new you tasted? What are the dishes you remember
Arey,
now? Name?
forget the names. The taste is amazing. Yeah, how many dishes do you have here? You said how many kinds of biryani?
18 types of biryani.
18 types of biryani. bhai sahab.
32 starters.
32
all are our own
starters.
recipe.
And how much you tasted today? How many dishes you tasted in a day like today? In
I
a
have
one plate?
tasted so many that I can just say it's wow.
So more you wanted or done?
नहीं ज़्यादा नहीं खाया, थोड़ा खाया. Tasted everything.
But I just want to know, after in daily routine, when you have your food, after that, what is your routine?
I'll
You
be
just-
walking now.
Okay.
Superb, I'm excited. Because right after this, we have a couple of meetings. I have 2 more interviews, and
Yes.
then after that is my show.
Okay.
So I'm really excited about
Oh
this.
my God, the
I'm
food
so very
energy.
happy. I'm so very happy, Neha, that you are enjoying the food.
I am loving it, veg
Yeah.
with non-veg. Cheers.
क्या बात है?
So I must say, now the lunch is over. So next we have to go to the other part of his journey. So let's do that, I think.
चलो.
I can,
Now you also
I
have
can,
your
I
lunch.
can see the smile on his face.
Come, you also have your lunch. The 2 brothers behind Ulvacharu. Thank you so very much. Thank you. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Thank you so very much.
We just finished our lunch and now we're going with Ashish sir to
I
his
will
next
let you.
journey. It's
Yes,
he
yes.
has some interviews, now he has some meetings, and after that we are all waiting for one thing, his show, right? So let's go and let's run actually. With the star you have to run.
Yes, please.
Back to your work. Are
Yes.
you feeling like,
Yes.
wanted to
I'm
take
excited,
rest,
excited.
huh?
No. All set. All set. We still have actually 2
Now it's
hours.
like 4:15.
Yeah.
So I think from morning 11 to 4:15.
Yeah.
How's your journey like?
Oh,
Had
wonderful.
fun?
Wonderful. From 7 in the morning.
Okay.
When I woke up and I was working with my team member Swapnil on the edit. उसके बाद airport आए, and we had a wonderful flight. Mubin and I, we chatted about a lot of things and came down, met you, और हम लोग घूमे हैं यहाँ पर. And now I'm excited after this to have an amazing show. So excited, first time performing.
I just want to talk to something about the show. What is your plan like? This show is gonna be like. What surprises, especially for the Hyderabad?
So stand-up comedy में ना people make crack jokes about others.
Okay.
The speciality of my stand-up comedy is that I laugh at myself.
Wow. Okay.
And people have said that they get a great feeling when they can understand that you can laugh at yourself. And that's what the show is all about. And people are really enjoying it because no abuses, no vulgarity, and without that, we are making people laugh. And I'm very happy for that.
So is it easy for you? Like you go by a script or go with the flow? How is the script writing work? It's all a back of your brain or it just go? How you plan your shows?
Nothing is कुछ भी simple नहीं होता, कुछ भी मुश्किल नहीं होता. You just have to do it well, and I'm very happy that the script has turned out, the material has turned out very well, and the audience is loving it. And I'm so excited that I can go and perform and reach people, so many people, with a performance, live performance, and that's what people are loving. Just go, people have seen me on the screen as a villain.
Yes.
Now they're getting to see me face to face.
Face to face.
Not kill, but make them laugh.
And they'll laugh, yeah. So do you remember the first time when you were going for the show, and who inspired you actually to go take a step ahead to become a stand-up comedian?
So, you know, for me, Neha, I'm also a stand-up comedian, also an actor, also a speaker,
yes.
also a vlogger. Also.
So much.
So, I get inspired by a lot of different sorts of people, and different people have inspired me as I've seen their work. Usme Zakir is one of them. Then Manu is one of them. Then there is Veer Das. और विदेश में काफी सारे लोग हैं. और you know, when I watch these people, what I see is that I hear their voice. वो अपनी कुछ बात कहना चाह रहे हैं. And Vipul Goyal is somebody that मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. वो यार दिल से हंसते हैं. तो ठहाका है. So all these people have really कहीं ना कहीं silently inspired me. चलो किया जाए.
But Ashish sir, I have seen in your vlogs the way you love the food. Oh my God, such a romantic man. The expressions you give, I think you're doing justice to the food. I mean, that kind of taste, that kind of expressions. When you remember when you went for your romantic date, what kind of food you tasted? I mean, that's really I wanted to know. The man who has so much of love for the food must be, you know, so romantic in his date. You remember?
So I love to spend time chatting, and I always think that you go to romance with life.
Yes.
And when you see me eat that way, when you see me perform, when you see me interact, I love to romance with life.
Okay.
Because life gives you an opportunity to do something. You know, you got to create opportunities that you get to do something that you love. And over the years, I've worked on so that I can actually go about doing things that inspire me. Or that's what I'm doing, and that's on that journey you and I have met.
Yes.
So I'm so happy to be here. Hey, now the cafe is here. Let's the cafe next. All right.
Okay.
Super.
Let's continue a little bit of Chataka Pataka talks after that.
Yes.
Because he has to prepare for his show. So we'll catch up after some time. 4:20. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's go. So here Ashish sir will do the show. As I can take you and show it, people are waiting for him. He himself has come to the location. He himself is visiting the place where he's going to do the show. So there's a place he's going to perform today.
Hey, love this, yeah, woman. Thank you. Yeah.
So sir, how excited you are? I'm loving the place that they have designed everything, the setup.
नेहा, क्या बढ़िया डिजाइन किया तुमने यार.
I'm just following up.
Wow,
So many people are eagerly waiting to see you at 6:30. So you love the place, everything?
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया.
So now we are in Heart Cup Coffee place, which is in Kompally, and waiting for Ashish Vidyarthi sir. He has a show at around 6:30, and people will start coming in and will enjoy that show. So I'm in that ambience and sitting and waiting for him, and I'll show like the crowd. I can capture some of the pictures or videos for you. And outside also we'll see how, you know, the crowd is excited about this show. So we'll do that. Okay. So now it's like 5:20. So 6:30. After that we'll again catch up the process after he finished his show, and then we'll have to catch him, hold on him, and then we have to go back to airport. So let's see how the journey begins in evening. Mornings were really good. I enjoyed the day. So let's find out how he enjoyed the day. So after some time we'll just catch up and see his show. I'm excited about his show. Really, really, really I want to see this show. So you want to see? Wait and watch. Well, now sir has come back for a practice. He's just doing a rehearsal, setting up his camera. You can see that. So we all are excited, and we can see, you know, we just waited, and before the show started, he wants to do a rehearsal, which every actor do that, you know, whether it's a concert or it's a big concept. So you can see, I want my cameraman to just focus on him. As we can see, he's getting ready for the show. So as you can, I just want my cameraman to focus here. He's just setting up all the things, everything he's doing it right now. I can show you. So every actor do that, you know, rehearsals. Feel of the stage he's taking it, as I can show you.
So, hey, that sounds great, my friend.
Wow, what a voice.
I just love the sound. Thank you. So, quick check, my friend. How much of the light is going to be there on the audience? A little less than this during the show? I don't mind I would like to have some audience light. Or do you keep this much light, or do you keep it less? Hey guys,
Yeah.
what's happening? Yahan se yahan tak good?
Good was.
Yahan tak good. ठीक है, fantastic. Baki, don't worry. Okay, thank you.
Camera check, everything is doing. You can see that. Actor, what hard works goes, you know, before the show. So being into this industry for a long time, you don't take things for granted, I must say. So I can just show you how he getting into the, you know, feel of the stage and everything. You can see that.
So, how will the sound thing happen, Momin? He's here in the beginning. Can you do it from there? That'll be very good. Yeah? Zone mein hoga. Ekdam zone mein, bhai sahab. We are all ready. This is the stage. Sorry, that's the setting, and this is the stage. All right, zone mein.
Well, we are in Caf Heart Cup Coffee. Time is now going to be 6, and the show has to start. So we are waiting for that. So let's come in and let's follow it. Well, the rush has started. People are waiting, and they were buying tickets, showing their passes, whatever they have, to actually feel the show, you know. And we are all excited, Ashish sir. I mean, you are fab, I must say. I know you're going to be rocking. So as we can see, the people, all youngsters, all category of ages, you know, they are waiting eagerly. So let's find out how excited they are. Come. Hi. We're just covering the show. Are you waiting for the Ashish stand-up? Are you like, what is your excitement level? I just want to capture before and after, like, you know, before is more of excitement. So you've been following him or what, like?
I'm following Ashish sir since 2006, and as the name suggests, he's not only a Vidyarthi for himself, but also to us also, to learn a lot from him. And I like his comic timing in movies, and the way he transformed his career from films to stand-up comedy is something that
motivational speaker also,
He's a great motivational speaker that I found on LinkedIn and Instagram. So I thought to enjoy his comedy show for the first time today.
He's also excited inside to see you all guys, I must say. Yeah. So is it your first time you'll be like in Hyderabad? Like he's also doing first time. Other cities, have you tried to attend his show?
Because I'm a local, so lucky that he came himself.
Yes, so we should say thanks to him.
I got opportunity to meet you in Hyderabad now. Thank you.
Oh, he's so excited. Let's go more about it. Hi, ma'am. So, what's your name?
My name is Savita.
Savita. Okay,
Yeah.
so you're from local, Hyderabadi.
Yeah, we are.
So, how excited you're about the show, and
I'm very excited because now I've not seen this side of his ever.
Exactly, yeah.
So we are very excited to see this side.
You have his favorite movies you would like to tell him? Because he'll be seeing the show. Yes.
I have watched Sunflower, the latest one, his
Okay.
series. We both of us like us a lot. So, but yeah,
Generally seen his
Villain role.
villain side of
Okay.
things.
the first gig we are seeing in the other side of it.
Other side,
Okay.
Really
yeah.
excited to see how it turns out. Of course, he has done comic roles in movies as well.
Yes,
We
yes.
are trying to. This is the first gig we have been to.
So you got the tickets, everything is
Yeah,
settled?
everything's okay.
Try to
Just
get in.
get in.
Okay, you will. I think the rush is increasing. The love they have for you, Ashish sir, I must say, you deserve it. So let's go and find out the full rush around it.
Yeah.
So to get in also something is like,
Yeah, it's a huge challenge.
yeah, and 1.5 hour, 1 hour, I think it will go like this only.
Yeah, we feel
Because
it's
when
less.
he just open his mouth,
Yeah.
you don't feel like seeing here or there, right?
It will be less, I guess.
Yeah.
We'll just go on.
So, okay, enjoy your show.
Thank you.
So I can see there is a big line. All, I think, Ashish sir fans. I can say that, you guys. Whatever you have to say about this show, how excited you are to see this show. You can say, yeah, with audio, good audio, yeah.
Hi. So yeah, we are very excited. I've come with my mother-in-law. So,
Oh wow, where is she? Okay, she's here.
She's
Okay.
sitting there.
Okay.
Just
okay.
made her.
Okay, so you're a fan of Ashish sir, like.
Absolutely. I'm from Assam. So
Okay. Sir, from Assam, people have come to see your show in Hyderabad. My God, that's great. So, I mean, any favorite
I'm based
movie
in
of-
Hyderabad though.
Okay.
Yeah.
But
so yeah.
you're saying Assam, so I
based
can
in there.
connect to that. So, have you seen other shows or favorite movies of him?
Yeah. We have I have grown up watching his movies. Our favorite villain, definitely.
I mean, a big fan, I must say. So, what are the expectations,
And
excitement
I
level?
follow his vlogs.
Oh.
He comes to Kolkata.
Yes.
He's a big
I think
time
tomorrow
foodie.
he's going. He's have a
He
show
visits
there. Yeah.
Kolkata now and then. He's a
Okay.
big foodie.
Oh,
So
everything she has knowledge about you, I must say, all ladies fan there. So I think you're getting excited.
Absolutely,
All are
too
so
much,
excited.
too
So
much.
I mean, I don't vibrations I'm getting as the rush is increasing.
Very positive.
Yeah, so it's good. So we want more of the show, sir. It should come in. I
He
think so
should
for
keep
sure.
on coming to Hyderabad.
Your fan is saying. So you should consider that. Thank you so much. Yeah. Well, the rush is actually coming up so fast. So I just wanted to know how excited you're about the show because first time he's doing in Hyderabad comedy
we
stand-up.
are very excited. Actually, we love him. He's a character actor, and recently his food blogs are very interesting.
Okay.
So I love that, and since Edinburgh is very close to my heart, he was in Edinburgh also.
Okay.
So in Scotland, so I love that, and with his wife, so. He's very good, like the way he explains and
Yeah.
everything. So it's,
And his voice.
His voice is
Yeah.
excellent. But only thing is, I would like to be more organized over here.
Okay.
Sorry.
The rush is there. That's
Sorry
a love.
for that.
That's a love for Ashish, sir. I mean,
no,
yeah.
man. There are multiple queues.
People are coming, coming
but it's
in.
good,
Yeah.
and all the best to you and crew, him and crew as well.
Yeah, we have to we are eagerly waiting first time. I
We
think
are
more
looking for-
shows should come up,
We'll look forward to his show. And
So what message would you like to give to Ashish sir or his favorite movie or something would like
yeah,
to say?
we love him, and please continue doing your work. And as you always do, by your heart and soul.
So
that's
what are you thinking today? What kind of a show it will be like? Kuch
I've
kya
just,
chal raha hai?
I've just come with open mind. I know I have no expectations, but yeah, but he's always.
He's going to rock.
Yeah,
No
he's going to
issue.
rock.
So please get
and
your tickets.
I just
and
want to have a picture with him if you can provide me.
Okay. He's such a humble man, I'm telling
Yeah,
you.
I know.
But the rush is there, so he has to manage with everybody. All
Let's
fans
see.
are equal for him, right?
So, but see if you can manage. Right?
Okay,
Thank you so much.
okay,
Bye.
we'll try. Okay. You have come here for Ashish, sir.
Yeah.
So what excitement goes, to watch his show and, would you like to say something about Ashish, sir? Yeah.
Well, I'm not pretty much aware of him, but I saw him in the movie, so as a fan moment, I just want to take a selfie.
Okay.
That's the main reason.
Okay. And about the stand-up show, would you like to...
This is the first time I'm attending a
He's
stand-up show.
also doing the first show in Hyderabad as a stand-up. So you follow him, right?
Yeah,
Sometimes. Okay.
So I follow him on the vlogs.
Okay, yeah, he do wonderful blogs, I must say, right?
Yeah.
So, okay, best of luck, and I think more of excitement and more shows with him, right?
Yes.
Chalo, thank you so much. And after finishing the show, I can show you how humbly he's meeting all his fans and having a selfie moment. He's just not leaving after the show. He's just having a great time with his fans. He's giving opportunity to meet, and you are having a selfie, boss. I think you wanted to have a selfie with him, right? Great, great. I think he's so excited. Let me show his face again. Outside, I interviewed him. He especially came to meet Ashish Vidyarthi, sir. So he's there. See, he's so near to you. That's a great fan moment for you, right? Think out what is the reaction after the show with the fans. Little bit of it. So I think she's going. She's not leaving the fan movement. So how was the show? You loved it? What do you have to say about the show?
It was epic. I was watching a video of Ashish uncle morning.
Uncle! He's calling you Uncle Ashish. Okay.
Obviously he's young. I can't judge him.
He's awesome. He's Ashish, okay? No uncle.
It was I was surprised because my mom just called me and I was just watching a reel of him.
Okay.
So I found it epic.
You loved it?
Yes, I loved it.
How was the show? What do you want to say about the show?
It's inspiring because I never expected Ashish to have such a powerful act, full of energy and full of life stories. So I'm happy to be here, and thanks to Sakshi for getting.
And I'm now you're meeting so closely to him. He's giving time to all the fans there.
Thank you. I'm very happy and very inspiring.
Okay, all young guys. I mean, the queue is increasing. I must say, let's catch all other girls also. All people, they're small. Kids are also there. They're with their kids, I must say. That's a great initiative for the show. I must say, you're handling a daughter and coming for a show. How was the show, boss?
That was amazing.
I was watching you. You were handling a kid also, and you were watching the show also, right?
So I had to play the father's role as well.
Great, man. You inspire, right? Great. You like the show, baby? Oh, she was...
She did not enjoy that.
Okay, but you managed well. I was watching you. Great, great, great.
About the show is the way he changes his way of communication.
Yes.
His expressions mainly.
Yeah.
In every second he's changing expression.
Yeah.
I think he got into that much of experience by like more than 300 films.
Yeah.
And this much of it, it's feeling...
He's meeting everybody.
Yeah. And also at this age, 59, he's enjoying all of us.
True.
And even though they're suffering from leg pain, but he's giving selfish to his...
Oh my God, there's a big queue. I don't know how he'll manage it, but he's trying. Ashish is really trying this. My God. I talked to you outside before the show. Now after the show,
My cheeks are full paining and it went so fast. I could just laugh, go on, go on, go on. I was like, oh my God.
And you got a selfie moment also.
Yeah, and also he has such a great energy at this age.
I know.
Man, hats off.
I know outside you were so excited about the show,
and now
you're like more excited.
More excited, 200%. Hats off.
Oh, great, great man. Good. Well, now it's 9:30. He just finished his show. I mean, that show was like, my God, I don't know when, 1.5 hours, 2 hours gone. I mean, that was my day. I mean, I'm not feeling tired at all from morning. I was so excited. This is called sitting with a right person with good of energies. I don't know, I believe in this. You really made our day, sir. And you're awesome, really. It's not that I'm a journalist, but as a fan, as an individually, when I was watching the show, I really had great fun. And I mean, how you're meeting everybody, sir, like you got the time. No, I mean, everybody is coming to you. How you do that, sir? I think today is a Guinness World Record, highest selfies, or more than that you have in a day.
नहीं, selfies तो लेते रहते हैं, but today was an amazing day यार.
Yeah.
आज सुबह से हम लोग interact करते आ रहे हैं, हम
खाते पीते जा रहे हैं.
और show कैसा था?
Oh my God, I have no words, you know. मेरा ध्यान इधर नहीं गया, उधर नहीं गया, but my focus was on you. There were so many people there, I've talked before them, they were excited. After that, they said that, "ये 1.5 घंटा हो गया क्या?" We didn't realize.
Yeah, no, I really
they
enjoyed.
were giving a salute to you. I have that visual. They were saluting you.
वाह वाह, मुझे बहुत एंजॉय किया मैंने. और क्या होता है नेहा, आप जब इस तरह से एक स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी, एक नई विधा है मेरे लिए, but I was really enjoying it.
I know.
Like,
and one thing I would like to share that's very important, there was a guy, he was talking that I asked him, what do you like about the show? He said the way Ashish sir asked about the life, a serious phase of life, he converted into comedy. That's the inspiration. I think he is also going through with some of disturbance. So the kind of, you talk, that phase was there when you and your wife were talking, हमने लफड़ा नहीं किया, हमने FIR नहीं किया. So he was trying to connect with this. You were talking so freely about this issue. So what do you have to say about it? I mean, I want you to put a light on that.
Neha, be very clear about this. Ki in any of our lives, there can be tumult.
Yes.
लाइफ में दिक्कत हो सकती है, चैलेंजेस हो सकते हैं. अगर उसको लेकर हम लोग एम्बैरेस्ड रहें, तो हम लोग छुपाते हैं, डरते हैं, घबराते हैं. प्लीज गेट इट. किसी की भी लाइफ में कुछ भी हो सकता है. इसलिए मैं लोगों को भी कहता हूँ, किसी और को जज मत करो यार. आज पूरी बात वही हो रही थी ना, कि हम जब जज करते रहते हैं, अरे भाई किसी की भी जिंदगी में कुछ हो सकता है. इसलिए इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू कैन यू सपोर्ट एवरीवन टू लिव लाइफ फुल्ली. और खुद को भी देखिए. क्या देखिए वहाँ पे वो लोग फिल्म कर रहे हैं हमको. हेलो.
ये आपके फैंस. They must be knowing you are sitting there. No, see, they're taking risk of a family. My God, what a love they have for you. This is Ashish sir. See the love.
प्यारे लोग.
I know.
तो यही जिंदगी है. When you can be grateful for what you go through, और उसको प्यार से, मतलब एरोगेंस की जरूरत नहीं है. कहो कि यार मैं प्यार से अपनी जिंदगी के those moments जो बहुत अच्छे नहीं गए, उसको मैं प्यार से, मतलब with a lot of humility you have dealt with it, and that's what I'm talking through my stand-up comedy.
Yes,
also.
the marriage and the divorce is so.
Not just that.
Very dignified way you talked about that.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the ability, देखिए breakdown लाइफ में हो सकता है, किसी की भी लाइफ में अलग-अलग तरीके से. अब उसको लेकर अगर आप खुद को ही मारते रहेंगे, पीटते रहेंगे, नहीं चलेगा. On the other hand, अपनी लाइफ से कुछ अच्छा करते हैं ना यार.
Exactly.
है ना? And that's the idea.
True, that's true. I mean, I was like wanted to talk about this more on, because nowadays we all are suffering with breakups. वो फिर mental awareness आ जाती है, and especially we talk about when we get the right partner, there is no age barrier. We should go with that flow in a dignified way. What do you have to say about that?
So वही बात है कि आप जानते हैं what works for you.
Yeah.
You know what is important for you. तो be responsible for yourself. Be responsible. इसीलिए मैं बार-बार कहता हूँ, pay your taxes, fulfill your responsibilities, and live your life.
I know.
और आप जब अपनी ज़िंदगी के बारे में देखिए, पॉइंट ये नहीं है कि you get mad या कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. दिमाग खराब करने की जरूरत नहीं है. सोच समझ के, everything has consequences. ये समझ के make a choice. And don't try to थोपो your choice on others. तो मैंने ऐसा किया, तू भी ऐसा कर. जरूरी नहीं है. तो आप जब एम्पावर कर सकते हैं हर एक को, कि हम में से हर एक कोई अपने चॉइसेस को यूज करेंगे, rather than मैं इसलिए करूँगा कि किसी और ने किया था. मैंने किया क्योंकि I think it is best suited for me. तो मेरे ख्याल से that is how we must even support each other. दूसरों को भी बोलो कि देखो ये तुम्हारे पास ऑप्शंस हैं, बताओ how can I support you to do something that is in the best interest of the entire family, है ना? और so therefore I personally believe that life is about हम लोग सब एक दूसरे को empower करें कि वो शख्स अपने सपने को पूरा कर सके. And so even in my motivational talks, or even as I see my journey as an actor or in my life, no two journeys are alike, Neha.
Yeah, true.
दो लोगों की सेम जर्नी नहीं है.
I know.
तो जब दो लोगों की सेम जर्नी नहीं है, तो आप प्लीज with a lot of gratitude and dignity अपनी जिंदगी को जिए.
But when it comes to kids, how to deal with that?
You'll have to be in conversation with them.
That's very important.
Very, very important. देखिए, communication is the key to everything. आप जब when in doubt
छुपाते हैं, the society thinks no, that should not be talked about.
आप छुपा जरूर लीजिए, लेकिन ये मत सोचिए कि उनसे छुपा है.
No, in your talk, in your today show, you said
हमने
मोगली अपने बेटे को बिठाया था.
ये नहीं किया, ऐसे नहीं किया. नहीं, communicate करो, and again be responsible. बहुत अच्छा होता कि हम लोग साथ रहे थे, पर नहीं हुआ। अगर नहीं हुआ तो क्या कैन वी इवन डू दैट वेल, है ना? सो दैट इज द थिंग एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि मैं इस चीज़ को एक लाइट भाव में लोगों के साथ शेयर कर पा रहा हूँ। एंड बिकॉज द आइडिया इज दिस, इसको ज़्यादा आप टैबू मत बना दीजिए, है ना? किसी को होता है ना, किसी को ड्रग एडिक्शन है, उसके बारे में बोलो नहीं, नहीं बोलोगे नहीं तो तुम डील नहीं कर पाओगे। अगर किसी के साथ कुछ बुरा हुआ है, कोई somebody is gone into debt, somebody is gone into, उनकी हेल्थ की सिचुएशन खराब हो गई है, कोई ज़्यादा शराब पी रहा है, अब उसकी बात नहीं करना चाहते, नहीं बात करो, only then can help be given. So I think you know, take out the taboo कि ये बात नहीं कर सकते।
You talk so well. हमने लड़ाई नहीं की, हमने FIR नहीं किया, इतना dignified way में कॉमेडी बना दिया, स्टैंड अप स्क्रिप्ट में डाल दिया। How you do that? All that thinking. It just comes to your mind and you just go with the flow.
Basically मैं जिंदगी को कहता हूँ हल्का रख।
हल्का रख, right. But you're not missing cinema now. Like, are you planning? You're doing so many things. Somewhere like cinema should be there because your fans relate to you so much with that.
Yeah, films करता रहता हूँ. I keep doing films. और वो सब चलता है. लेकिन और भी फिल्म्स करना चाहता हूँ.
So Telugu.
Definitely. Of course.
Telugu, you are in Hyderabad.
So okay, I'll be very straight with you. I do not have Telugu films and I want to do Telugu.
No, but if it comes,
in fact, एक फैन आज आए जो फोटो लेते वक्त उन्होंने मुझे बोला, सर यू शुड डू लीड रोल्स नाउ, जस्ट लुक एट वंडरफुल परफॉर्मेंसेस ऑफ जगपति गारू, you should do films like that. I said yes, yeah, I am looking forward to that.
So like when the offers are there, you can manage your time.
Of course. An actor life is all about managing dates.
And how you see now these Telugu, earlier at your time, only Telugu movies get into, you know, Hindi movies, बहुत different होता था. Now the scenario is totally changed.
Absolutely.
How you see that all the actors and, you know, they are newcomers, they are doing so well. And on the international level also they have reached. How you see that?
I really think that is special about cinema. Cinema में हम लोग बार-बार ये देखते हैं कि सिनेमा की जो लैंग्वेज हो यूनिवर्सल है, ये तो हम जानते ही हैं। पर अब मज़ेदार बात है कि जिसको हम लोग इंडियन सिनेमा कहते हैं ना, कि इंडियन सिनेमा विद द सॉन्ग, डांस और द स्पेक्टिकल, दैट द वर्ल्ड इज अप्रिशिएटिंग एज अ वे ऑफ आर्ट. ट्रिपल आर इज दैट, ओके, बाहुबली इज दैट, यू नो, ये सब, आई मीन YRF इज दैट. क्योंकि देखिए आप, अगर आप देखें कि ये सब कहानियाँ हैं, ये सब कहानियाँ हमारे कल्चर्स में सुनाई जाती थी, लार्जर देन लाइफ स्टोरीज, एंड नाउ द वर्ल्ड इज अप्रिशिएटिंग. और हम लोग बहुत कमाल हैं. वी आर यूजिंग द बेस्ट ऑफ द टेक्नोलॉजी ऑफ द वर्ल्ड एंड वी आर क्रिएटिंग अमेजिंगली पावरफुल स्टोरीज. So I really look forward to being part of those stories.
So recently, which of the favorite movies you watched? And an actor you would like to come?
I don't watch many films, but I look forward to. I look forward to many more interesting films. So that's the idea, and I'm so very happy
that
we are.
Any actor you would like to give a compliment for his work?
अरे यार, amazing work. All actors are
doing amazing. Allu Arjun, he's doing Pushpa, चला है, like, you know.
अरे क्या गजब है. Allu has completely captured the imagination of people. और the number of people who ask me, you have worked with Allu Arjun, मैंने कहा यार, हम लोगों ने काम किया. So it's
oh God, you have done with everybody. Yes. You just name it.
हाँ, तो मतलब point ये है कि सब लोग amazing काम कर रहे हैं. I am very happy. और मैं अपना काम कर रहा हूँ. And as they say that as I'm doing vlogging, as I'm doing my work in OTT, my films, as I'm doing my you know, stand-up comedy, motivational talks, all this I'm doing, basically I'm an actor. और जब उस actor को कुछ amazing roles मिलेंगे, that actor is waiting for those amazing roles. All right? And while I'm waiting for those amazing roles, I'm doing amazing things with my life.
I know.
All right? So one thing I always tell myself, that I will not just keep waiting. I will do something amazing. True. At the same time, I'm open to some amazing roles.
I know.
Looking for some amazing roles. Yes.
And if you get more time in Hyderabad, what do you want to explore more or meet some of your friends? Yarana रहता because you have been long journey.
Frankly, अगर आप मुझे पूछें, मैं कुछ अमेजिंग तेलुगु फिल्म्स करना चाहता हूँ.
वो तो है ही. But
यहाँ पर आकर फिल्म्स करना चाहता हूँ. यहाँ का बहुत बढ़िया खाना है, वो करना चाहता हूँ.
और friends you want to meet, you know, जिससे यारी दोस्ती बहुत. You had spent a very wonderful memories with them. You would like to catch them.
Just look at this amazing road here. I find this road so amazing.
Oh yeah.
Silence
the highway.
Yeah.
We are
just
going.
Look at this beautiful road.
So well, we are on the way to airport to drop him, but before that I want to know something that actually helps me a lot is videos. I wanted to know one thing. When you feel low, how you deal with that, you know? People must be thinking, oh my God, he's making so much fun and energies, but I wanted to know how you deal with that. Give me a tip.
So, see, one of the reasons that I became a motivational speaker was because I was dealing with really downs in life.
Okay.
और एक बात बहुत क्लियर है यार कि मैं एक बहुत सेंसिटिव इंसान हूँ।
Really?
और मैं एक सेंसिटिव इंसान हूँ जो एक मेन स्ट्रीम सिनेमा में काम करता है, इतने साल का करियर है। तो हाउ डज वन डील विद इट? सो आई हैव बीन थ्रू माई लाइफ डीलिंग विद फीलिंग लो, फीलिंग डाउन एंड आउट। क्या करूँगा यार, ख़त्म है ज़िंदगी। तो दिस हैज़ बीन अ कॉन्स्टेंट थिंग। तो when I saw that, I said I had to deal with it, boss. क्योंकि मैं अगर डील नहीं करूँगा तो मेरे लिए बहुत क्लियर था कि मेरे अपने माँ बाप को कौन खिलाएगा, मेरी फैमिली को कौन खिलाएगा। So that's when I started looking for ways in which I can handle it. तब मुझे पता नहीं था कैसे। So I did this very powerful program some years back. It is a program called Landmark Forum. And Landmark Forum completely altered my take on life. उसने मुझे पहली बार मुझे ये फ्रीडम दिया कि मैं जान पाऊँ कि आई एम द कॉज इन माई लाइफ। मैं चाहे जितना भी बुरा हो रहा हो, मैं किसी और को ब्लेम करके भी उससे मुझे कुछ मिलेगा नहीं। एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट बिगैन माई जर्नी। एंड फ्रॉम देयर ऑन आई स्टार्टेड डिस्कवरिंग मोर एंड मोर थिंग्स दैट हाउ आई कैन एम्पावर माई सेल्फ रादर देन फीलिंग सैड फॉर माई सेल्फ। तो जब भी वो पीरियड्स आते हैं, और वो पीरियड्स आते हैं नेहा, that I feel really down and out और मुझे समझ में नहीं आता, I'm very clear that I will seek help. मैं लोगों से बातचीत करता हूँ। I take coaching absolutely. शर्माना नहीं है दोस्त। याद रखिए this person ये जो बात कर रहा है, मैं जो मोटिवेशनल सेशंस देता हूँ, I'm a person who's a human being. और ह्यूमन बीइंग टूटता है, ह्यूमन बीइंग को दर्द होता है, ह्यूमन बीइंग को लगता है कई बार कुछ नहीं होगा। एंड दैट इज़ द टाइम द ह्यूमन बीइंग हैज़ टू हैव बिलीफ इन हरसेल्फ एंड रीच आउट एंड सीक सपोर्ट। सो शर्म नहीं होना चाहिए, शर्म नहीं आनी चाहिए मदद लेने के लिए।
You should have a right people also around
and yes,
you to talk.
of course, and that is what I'm saying. That is how you develop such relationships. Develop such people whom you can reach out to.
Exactly.
And I've been very lucky कि मैं कुछ amazing ऐसे दोस्त बना पाया हूँ जिनके साथ, जिनके पास आई रीच आउट व्हेन आई डील विद थिंग्स। बट एक चीज़ बहुत साफ है, इतने सालों में जो अपने को ट्रेन किया है, आई डोंट टॉलरेट माई ओन बुलशिट। मैं कहता हूँ कि आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टॉलरेट माई ओन, तू बड़ा दुखी है, तू बड़ा बेचारा है, मैं हेलो, मैं कहता हटा सावन की घटा। तो सबसे पहले आई हैव टू वेरी स्ट्रेट विद माई सेल्फ, हटा सावन की घटा। मैं कहता हूँ ठीक है, आई एम फीलिंग डाउन एंड आउट, आई विल डील विद इट। ठीक है ना? So down and out, मैं I'm not feeling down and out नहीं, मैं कहूँगा I'm feeling down and out and I'm just feeling it. But and that's when I'll step out.
Okay.
तो एक बात सोचिए, मर्द को दर्द होता है।
हाँ, मर्द को दर्द होता है।
मर्द को दर्द होता है।
But I want a parenting support also. Parenting, maybe I wanted you to focus on that when we ourselves is down and then we have a kids around us. How to deal with that? I mean, would you like to give something light on that?
हाँ, तो अगर अगेन उसमें एक चीज़ है। देखिए, अगर आपका बच्चा है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप हर चीज़ वॉमिट कर दें। I'm dealing with this too, नहीं। एक बात जानना है कि वो बच्चा है, and that kid also does not always deserve कि आप अपनी चीज़ें उस पर थोप दो। At the same time, does not mean that you lie. You can communicate to the child कि बेटा, I'm dealing with something in life, all right? So वो एक लाइन आपको हमेशा मैनेज करना है कि you keep empowering yourself and don't disempower your child either. At the same time, you don't need to put them or keep them in a fool's paradise. आप बताइए, जो चीज़ ना है उसको लिए ना कहिए, शर्माइए मत। कई बार हम बच्चों को ना नहीं कह पाते।
Exactly.
And then we go beyond what we can afford or how we can live.
Especially a single child.
Not That's just a single, it can be any child. Any child. तो पॉइंट ये है कि आपको कम्युनिकेट करना है, रियलिटी के साथ किसी को अवगत कराना बुरा नहीं है। लेट द चाइल्ड नो वेयर इट इज, बट लेट द चाइल्ड नॉट फील सॉरी फॉर यू। आप जब अपना दुखड़ा किसी के सामने रो धोगे, उनको कहेंगे बताओ मैं कितना बेचारी या बेचारा, दैट वोंट ऐड वैल्यू। सो उसको ही मैं कह रहा हूँ, हर चीज़ को हमें डिग्निटी के साथ डील करना है. वी हैव टू डील विद विक्ट्री ऑल्सो विद डिग्निटी. ये नहीं कि एरोगेंट हो गए. एट द सेम टाइम लॉस को भी डिग्निटी के साथ डील करना है, रादर देन कि खत्म हो गया मैं बेचारा. नहीं. This is where I am today, and I will deal with this with a lot of dignity because I am in service of my journey.
Wow.
आप जब अपनी जर्नी की सर्विस में है ना, तो आप देख पाएंगे कि ये जो दिन मेरा जो अच्छा नहीं जा रहा, it's just one day as part of my entire journey.
I know.
So I will empower myself कि मैं इस जर्नी को कमाल से लीड करूँ, और उसके लिए I will take help.
So
And that's
people
what I do.
always ask you as a father, how was Ashish sir? If you have to define one line as a father for
I don't
yourself.
know, been pretty interesting father. I mean, I have done the best of the amazing things that I have always wanted to do.
Okay.
And I've been somebody who's been deeply interested in a lot of things, and I've shared that with Mogu.
Okay.
And Mogu.
Mogu नाम किसने रखा था? Is he like that?
Mogu.
He likes that name?
पता नहीं, but अब तो नाम बढ़िया हो गया.
Okay.
Mowgli.
Okay.
But so yeah. So my point is that I love to share amazing things with him. Journey with him and all that. एक टाइम पर उसने कहा कि बाबा, मैं उसको कहता Mogu, you're in the school of life. कहता बाबा, I want to go to school to study. मैं उसको स्कूल की छुट्टियां कराया करता था काफी.
My God.
क्या बेटा घूम मेरे साथ.
Oh great.
So
okay.
he's got a good sense of humor and he's 23 and खूब मजाक करता है मेरे साथ, और so that's what I enjoy, and I'm very 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 proud of him that he's a bright child जो जिसके अंदर एक समझ है एक बड़े की, at the same time उसके अंदर एक sensitivity है as a child.
People always must be thinking Ashish sir is a great actor. Is he shown any interest? That okay, let me
in
also
acting, Mowgli.
acting, yeah.
Arth has not shown interest.
No.
वो जरा साइंस का बंदा है, पर बहुत अच्छा लिखता है. आर्ट्स में I see an interest in him क्योंकि वो लिखता बहुत अच्छा है, गाने का शौक रखता है, and who knows आगे क्या होगा. But अभी वो टेस्ला में नौकरी करता है,
Okay,
और I see him उसने बर्कली से इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग.
But he never showed that interest. I want to be in the creative side.
नहीं, as such, no.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I think
कुछ पता नहीं, आगे
you never
कुछ
know.
पता नहीं.
He'll come
You
like,
never
oh
know.
dad, I want
Who
to do
knows?
this. He has a creative
Neha,
DNA with him.
Yeah. But Neha, I really enjoyed the conversation today
No,
with you.
with you also.
This has
Abhi
been
enjoyed.
such an interesting. क्या बताऊँ?
पूरा दिन कैसे निकल गया?
है
We
ना?
don't know.
It was an adventure.
Still we are going. We
Yeah,
are going.
adventure.
We are in
It started early in the morning. Moment, ये interesting day था ना यार. एकदम अलग सा
We
था.
are just going with the flow,
Yes,
and
we are
chalo,
going with
we
the
have
flow.
to end up the things, and we just
Yeah.
want like your day was good, a day,
was
whole
amazing.
day in
Yeah, it
Hyderabad.
was amazing.
So what message you give to yourself every day, and what message you would like to give to your fans out
So
there?
the message that I give to myself is be kind to yourself, Ashish.
Wow.
और
You
अपना
are.
ख्याल रखो और तुम्हें कुछ कमाल करना है. That's what I would want to share with you also. Please empower yourself to fulfill your dreams.
और एक डायलॉग, कुछ
है ना?
प्यार भरा.
आपके ड्रीम्स बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है दोस्त. आप कुछ ऐसा करिए ताकि you can actually every day take a step towards your dream. Lots and lots of
That's
love.
your
Yes,
script,
yes,
your
yes,
words,
absolutely.
right?
बहुत सारा प्यार. Love you.
Wow.
Take care. और मिलते रहेंगे अलग-अलग कहानियों में. I'm so happy that you're part of this vlog also. Hey, देखिए, check this out. This is your vlog.
So we are just, I can show my cameraman, we are
क्या बात है.
just dropping him to the airport. I am feeling sad about it.
है ना?
I want him to come back again, and he will, I know. अब ये
Yes.
ज़्यादा gap आने नहीं वाला because the kind of energies and kind of show he did, I think people wanted, and they will call him, please sir, वापस आओ, show करो. आई कि महीने में 2 तो शो होने चाहिए. बनता है इतना. अब आपके प्रोड्यूसर में काम बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ने वाला है.
Next Gachibowli.
Wow! शो का नाम भी मतलब जगह भी हो गई.
Fantastic.
That's a great place to have. So
Thank you so
let's
very
go
much.
and drop you.
Appreciate.
And
बहुत
that's,
शुक्रिया.
I don't feel like dropping you.
Thank
But
you so
need
very
it.
much.
Thank you so
Appreciate it.
much. So now we are leaving, and this is 10:30 now. He's leaving for his Mumbai.
Early morning हम लोगों ने
स्टार्ट किया और पूरा दिन ऐश करी, मजे किए. अब सर को विदा कर रहे हैं.
Thank you so much. Really,
बहुत enjoy किया. So now let him.
we all enjoyed.
We have to tell him also. This guy was behind it only. So thank you for getting Ashish, sir. We have to say thanks to you. Keep getting him again and again, okay? And enjoy your journey. was a whole day with Ashish Vidyarthi. We dropped him back to airport. He's leaving. Whole day was him. I think the show was whole day with celebrity who's in Hyderabad. So I think you must have enjoyed the show, and we'll be getting more of the celebrities who come to Hyderabad and how they spend their time. So for more updates, keep watching iDream. Till then, goodbye.